this is Lamar Payne, Youth Service Coordinator here at James C. Alton Middle School. Welcome to Open House. We are excited to see everyone, meet our new incoming students, and get ready for a great school year.
Hi, I'm Miss Cassidy, Principal here at JTA, and we are just a flutter of activity tonight. We are having our annual Open House. Kids are getting to go around and meet their teachers. They're getting to get their schedules. We're set up in the cafeteria so that they can sign up for sports and learn their bus routes and all of those things. We got a lot of new things going on here at JTA this year. A lot of new classes. We're offering JROTC this year. We've got a new choir class that we're offering and several new careers classes. We got cooking and even an automotive class. We're just super excited to start the school year this year. Our teachers have been working hard, preparing lessons, getting ready for the first day. Our custodians have been spit shining the whole school, getting everything just tip-top shape, ready for you to come, and we can't wait to see our students. So welcome to JTA.
Hi, I'm Emily Lee, and I'm here for the North Hardin and John Hardin swim teams. I'm actually the coach's mama, but I'm helping out tonight. My son is the assistant coach, Jonathan, and he is at North Middle tonight.
Okay. And why are y'all at the open house today?
We're here to let people know that they can swim for North Hardin. So a lot of middle schoolers, I think, don't realize they can. So once you hit 7th grade, you are eligible to swim for high school. So we have John Hardin and North Hardin that practice together, but then when we go to meets, they actually compete separately. And so we just kind of want to let kiddos know when our opening meeting is so that they can come and get all the information. That is September 14th, and it's at the North Hardin Library.
And for those who are interested, because obviously North Hardin doesn't have a pool.
Yes. So we actually practice on Fort Knox. There's 2 pools there. There is Gammon Pool, who is typically for the soldiers, but they allow us to use it, and then Anderson Pool as well. Gammon is a 25-meter pool, and Anderson is a full Olympic pool. And so they do 2 nights a week at Gammon and 2 nights a week at Anderson. And then they travel for their meets.
My name is Coach Tone. I'm the head football coach at JTA, and we're here today just looking for new players that want to be a part of the JTA family and want to get that football experience. We teach student athletes more than just a game of football.
My name is Betsy Woodruff, and this is the art class. I will be teaching 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade art.
All right. And what does teaching art entail for the students who may not know? What are some of the standards that they have to follow?
Okay, so Kentucky has adopted the national core standards for the visual arts. So they're going to be learning a lot about art production, different types of medium to use. They're going to learn about presenting, creating a portfolio, and it's a holistic view of learning the arts, understanding the arts. There's some art history in there. So there's just a full-bodied experience. We try to do a little bit of everything because my understanding is 6th grade, you have to take art, 7 and 8 is if you want to take art.
You mentioned different mediums of art. What is your personal favorite?
I love to paint. Oil painting is probably my favorite, although I also enjoy watercolors.
And you also mentioned art history. Who's a person throughout either older history, more recent, that kind of inspired you?
Unfortunately, the most generic answer is Vincent. It's actually Van Gogh, but Vincent is my favorite artist in art history. Very inspiring because of his use of color. I love color. Color is a beautiful facet of art, and his use of color was almost electric. A piece of advice for our incoming students is don't hesitate to ask. If you need help, we all need help sometime. If you learn how to ask now, it'll be easier to ask for help later when you might need it more.
All right.